This Fiverr seller has made more than $15,000. This one more than $8,000. They are selling images created by AI, and all they do to get the money coming in is type a command to the AI in order to generate what the client wants. This requires no experience, no effort, and is a 100% AI business that you can start today. In this video, I will show you how and give you some important tips on how to optimize your Fiverr in order to get the maximum amount of orders possible. So stay until the end. First, you'll need to create your Fiverr account and then set up a gig. The profile and gig optimization tips I will share during the video will help you rank your gig better and have a better profile. I say this because I run a video editing agency at 10K a month, and I started everything on Fiverr and Upwork, so I know what I'm talking about. So once you have your Fiverr profile, what are we selling? Look at these guys. I will create quick custom AI art using Midjourney Advanced. We will not copy but write something similar like I will create unique AI art using Midjourney. Sounds like a fair title for this one gig. The description, just like his, should include many keywords to rank better and for better SEO. Make some competitive prices, and once you're done with your first gig, you will need to create multiple gigs with different titles and maybe a slightly different description. Having only one has fewer chances of ranking higher on Fiverr. If you have 7 gigs, which is the maximum, you will have x7 chances of ranking higher, so we need that. Create similar titles for your 7 gigs and then you are set up with Fiverr. Now, once orders come in, you will need Midjourney. You can type Midjourney Discord and you will find it everywhere. I think they made it subscription based right now, so you need to pay around $10 to have access to the art generator. But there are tons of other free AI tools such as Leonardo AI, which is a good alternative. Now it's that easy to create art with these AIs. They are all the same. You will need to enter your prompt. Let's say someone wants an art of a cat sitting on a couch during Christmas time. The most random idea that came to my head will type in our prompt and we have the art. Let's say I maybe want to generate for a client an image with a man on a horse going up a mountain while it's raining. Let's see what we will get. Here it is, insane stuff in a matter of a few seconds. People will really pay you just to create for them these types of arts. The proof being all these Fiverr sellers that took advantage of this wave, and now it's your turn to make a few $100s per day only generating AI arts. You will need to offer them unlimited revisions so they feel like they are not stuck with just one art idea that they have. They can modify it and change it a bit without any pressure that they will have to pay extra. I suggest staying online on Fiverr, have it open in the browser in order for clients to see you online and eventually contact you to order the AI art. This gives you much more chances to receive orders. The multiple gigs are also gonna help, along with many keywords in the description of the gig and in your profile. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe to stay close.